Embarking on a journey to explore the wonders of the world doesn't have to break the bank. Today, we unfold the secrets of budget travel. Those clever hacks that open the doors to global adventures without the hefty price tag. Let's dive into a world where you can savor the experiences of traveling while keeping your wallet happy. First and foremost, timing is everything. The off-peak season is your best friend when it comes to budget travel. During these periods, also known as the shoulder seasons, tourist spots are less crowded and prices for flights and accommodation are significantly lower. Not only do you get to enjoy the destination without throngs of tourists, but you also benefit from substantial savings. Find out the off-peak season of your desired destinations and plan accordingly. One of the cardinal principles of budget travel is the art of flexibility. When searching for flights, don't fixate on specific dates. Use flight comparison websites that allow you to view prices over a range of dates. Plenty of apps and services like Google Flights offer notifications for fare drops. Additionally, consider flying on weekdays as they tend to be cheaper compared to weekends. Flexibility can also mean being open to layovers or flying into nearby airports rather than the main ones. Accommodation is another critical area where savvy travelers can save. Instead of splurging on hotels, consider alternatives such as hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals. Websites like Airbnb often have more budget-friendly options, allowing you to stay in unique places and connect with locals. For the truly adventurous, Couchsurfing offers free stays with locals, although it requires a bit of vetting to ensure safety. While at your destination, take advantage of free or low-cost activities. Many cities offer free walking tours led by knowledgeable locals who provide intriguing insights into the area's history and culture. Public transport is another budget-friendly alternative to costly taxis. Some cities offer passes that provide unlimited travel for several days, saving you money if you plan to explore extensively. Dining out can eat into your travel budget faster than you might think. To cut down costs, look for street food vendors or local markets, which often serve authentic and delicious meals at a fraction of the price of restaurants. These are not only more affordable, but also offer a taste of local culinary culture. You might also consider preparing some meals yourself if you have access to a kitchen. Finally, leverage technology to help plan and save. Numerous apps provide real-time information on discounts for food, activities, and transportation. Loyalty programs and travel rewards credit cards can also be a tremendous help, offering points that can be redeemed for free flights, accommodation, or upgrades. In conclusion, budget travel is all about being strategic and resourceful. With careful planning and a willingness to explore beyond the typical tourist paths, you can enjoy remarkable experiences without overspending. Remember, the essence of travel is not dictated by how much you spend, but by the richness of the experiences and the memories you create along the way. Whether you're backpacking in Asia or exploring the hidden gems of Europe, these budget travel hacks ensure that adventure is always within reach. Safe travels!